Hello everyone, in this video, let's learn how to draw a realistic nose using a simple method. Many people find it difficult to get the nose proportions right, but if you follow this step-by-step approach, you can draw it easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Basic structure. First, let's create the base shape of the nose. Start by drawing a simple circle. Then, draw two vertical lines on both sides of the circle. These will define the width of the nose. Now, draw a soft curve in the center of the circle. These shapes and lines will help in getting the correct nose structure, so maintaining symmetry is important. Step 2. Outlining the nose. Now, let's refine the nose shape. Draw a smooth line from the left curve edge to the lower circle. Repeat the same process on the right side. Now, refine the lower part of the nose by following the existing lines and smoothing them out. Draw curves on the edges of the nose to define the nostrils. Step 3. Shading for depth. Now, let's start shading to create depth. First, start with light shading on the circle, vertical lines, and edges of the nose. Gradually, increase the darkness, especially in the nostrils and side areas. To get a smooth transition, use a blending stump and blend carefully for a natural look. Avoid overblending and maintain contrast to make the drawing look realistic. Step 4. Adding highlights. Once the shading is done, adding highlights is very important. Use a kneadable eraser to gently erase and create highlights on the nose bridge, tip, and other bright areas. So, by following these simple steps, you can easily complete a realistic nose drawing. Try it out and share your results in the comments. Which drawing tutorial do you want next? Let me know. See you in the next video.